everyone, it's Lynette here. It's been such a long time since I've done this Shoppee unboxing thing, and this bag has been with me for such a long time too. I just haven't had the time to unbox it, and since Chinese New Year is coming, I think this is the perfect time to unbox it on the way together with my room makeover, right? Yeah, so I'm really excited to unbox all these things today. Honestly, it's been such a long time and I really forgot what I bought. So I have these many parcels to unbox today. Wow! So let's get right into it. So this is the first one. It doesn't tell me what it is. I feel like I'm kind of having like a Christmas surprise party vibe because I really have no idea. It's soft, it's big. Ooh, there are a few items inside, okay. This is... oh, these are accessories. Perfect! So I can wear this just in time for my New Year gathering. I don't know if this is a free gift or something because I don't remember buying something like this. It's basically a very long gold chain with small beads. I don't know, is it me not buying it or I just forgot that I bought it, right? It do be like that sometimes. But as you can tell, I'm super into accessories, so yeah, you can never have enough accessories. Ooh, so much foam! Foam! Very dangerous. I broke it. Oh my freaking god, I broke it. It's my Pikachu like lamb and I broke it! Ah! They put so much foam in it and I should have known to be more careful with it. I'm crying! I mean, I can like glue it back, but I'm sorry to myself for always doing things like that and wasting my own money. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. Oh no, this is tape. Oh, it's tape for the... it's called... what is it called? Breast tape. Yeah, it's to tape things up so that, you know, when you wear certain tops, you cannot wear a bra. That's kind of funny. I have not mastered the art of taping, so I gotta watch some YouTube videos to know how to tape it properly, because apparently you can tape from no books to big books. Oh, and I bought this very pretty, very light, so this definitely goes into decoration. Oh yeah, I bought this thing. I totally neglected this just now. It's quite lame, but it's a handphone screen wiper. So I believe if you add water inside, you can spray the water out. And then this is like microfiber and you can use to wipe your phone. A little bit unnecessary, right? But I just want to give it a try. Yeah. I'll let you know how this works. This thing, it feels like another decoration. Ooh, it's a bag. In a bag. Ooh, I'm sorry guys, but this series of unboxing has a lot of beauty products, and I didn't know I bought a bra, and this bra looks freaking lousy. Like, what is even happening? And oh, I think this is like a backless bra, so that because I love wearing low back tops. But this bra looks really bad and the sponge is out of shape. So I'm not sure if I can even wear this. I don't know. The strap is so loose. Like, it doesn't feel like it will support this really cheap material. Next one! Oh yeah, finally after months of using my camera protector is finally here, which I'm also currently using my camera to film this content right now. But look, camera, you have a case to protect yourself right now. And again, it looks really flimsy and broken, so I'm not sure if it would fit well. I should just try it now. So this is the case. It covers the front pretty well. but it's a little off-white. I would wish if it was exactly the color of the camera. And then this part, as you can see, is like not connected, so it's a little weird. Or I guess if you put this part in, it stays on, but the bottom is a little loose, and this part where you put in the cable is not really protected, but the buttons are pretty much covered. These buttons are not covered, but my settings button and my recording button, just that I'm not familiar with the camera enough. When the buttons are covered, I don't really know what is what. More beauty products. This is a Miko tape in the flower print and a circle print. You know, this is the problem with shopping. You know, you buy things like some time ago, and then in that moment you think you need it, but now looking back, I'm like, will I ever wear this? Maybe it's like when I wear the tape and then I'll like paste this on. They call this the pasties, right? And then this is breast leaves apparently. I think I just got so curious and I decided to just give these things a try. But I have no freaking idea if I will ever like wear it or figure out how to use this. Maybe I can wear it for my shoots. Oh, okay. This, I can definitely use this for my Chinese New Year visitings. This, I do not regret buying this. I love this. You can call me extra, but I love this. And I gotta be careful because I broke one Pikachu ear already. I'm not gonna break another. But come on, look at me. Oh my gosh, I look so freaking cute. Okay, I'm gonna go out like this, or maybe not, but I'm gonna... Okay, let's dare me. I'm gonna go out like this, bet on Chinese New Year day 3, which is the only day that I have visiting. Yeah, I'm gonna go out like this, okay? But it kind of affects my vision because the prints and the lights is quite trippy. It's part and parcel of the unboxing by watching me carrying out these parcels violently. Ooh, another case for my ZEV10. I guess when I feel like it, I can turn my ZEV10 into a pink cutie, which is what I'm gonna do again for Chinese New Year. Oh, this case actually looks better because the one just now was disconnected. This actually like is connected. This is the pink one. I like this a lot better because it doesn't remove the grip function at the front compared to the brown one, which totally loses the grip. It has more of a silicone feel, and also the buttons are labeled so I can still know what I'm getting into. At the same time, it's completely covered. Okay, I like the fact that it's completely covered. Also, all the buttons here are covered. So I think since it's the Chinese New Year, I'm gonna go with this pink one. This is freaking nails, guys. This is so in time for CNY, even though I don't think I have the glue sticker, but the nail sticker. But this and this, my glasses with my cute dress. Okay, I'm always worried about my nails being too bare because I don't do nails, I don't do lashes, but I guess one day I can live with having nails for one day. 防走光贴. Oh, this is the adhesive sticker. So if like it's like double-sided tape. So if you're wearing something really low cut and then it keeps falling forward, you can actually tape it to your skin. It's called like skin tape. I don't know. Yeah, I know the first time I got introduced to this was because of like dance competitions, and then we had to dance in costumes that were not very practical, so we taped this. Yeah, it literally looks like double-sided tape. Here, yo, whistle baby, whistle baby. Oh no, I don't like using tools. Oh, this is eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. Give me a second. What is this liquid eyeshadow? But it's so little, it looks like it will be used up really quickly. okay, I shall just try all these products on New Year day itself when I go visiting. Oh yeah, finally, this is what I'm talking about, the sunset lamp. I know I'm late to the trend, but I've seen enough people owning this to know that this works. And after being in studios in Korea, I'm so inspired to like create a really vibey studio in my house, which I'm currently filming in that studio. So yeah, I'll try installing this. This is all styrofoam. Okay, means Lynette, you need to be careful. Okay, be careful. Oh, this is the screen protector for my Sony ZEV10 screen. Hi screen, you got a new protector. Yeah, this is all that I have. So let's start decorating my room. I guess it's not a lot, but yo guys, I finally figured out what that free necklace was. It's actually not a free necklace. I actually bought it, and it's supposed to be like a body chain because my shirt has so much print. You can't really see it clearly, but it's supposed to go around your chest. Alright, time for the review. So the goal in 2023 is to make my home as cozy as possible, or my room as cozy as possible, so I would not want to leave house at all. Because I realized as we grow older, you know, the tendency to stay at home and not go out is real. So we gotta make our house beautiful. Let's go! Wow! So imagine I'm just like chilling at home on my bed, and then I can just admire these beautiful lights with my Pikachu. So romantic.
Pika Pikachu, Pika Pika.